Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain you the three techniques to multiply any 2 and 3 digit numbers which are near to 100. Let's begin. Now our trick number 1. In our trick number 1 we can take 2 digit examples which are near to 100. For suppose 91 multiplied by 97. And our step number 1. What number we have to add to 91 and 97 to get 100? If we add 9 to 91 we get 100 and 3 to 97 we get 100. Then we have to do here cross subtraction. It is our step 2. Now if we do 91 minus 3 we get 88 and 97 minus 9 also we get 88. We can do any of the numbers. Then we get here 88, right here 88 and 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Yes, 8827 is our correct answer. And we can take another example such as 88 multiplied by 98. Here if we add plus 12 we get 100 for 88 and plus 2 for 98, then we get 100. Then cross subtraction, any of the numbers we can subtract. 88 minus 2 is 86 and again 98 minus 12 is also 86. Now 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. Yes, it is the answer 8624. And we can take our final example in this trick number 1 as 83 multiplied by 84. Here we add plus 17, then we get 100 and plus 16 here, then we get 100. And here cross subtraction again, 83 minus 16 is 67. And here 17 multiplied by 16 is 272. But remember friends, here exception case. If we get whenever 3 digits, then this first number should be going to carry to here. Then 7 plus 2 is 9, which is 6972. Yes, it is our answer. Okay friends, now we are in our trick number 2. In our trick number 2, we have to take the examples which are nearer to 100 and greater than 100. We can take our first example as, now in our trick 2, the step number 1 is to check what number should be subtracted from these both numbers so that we should get 100. Here if we do minus 1 we get 100 and if we do minus 2 we get 100. And here we have to do cross addition. Yes, here we have to do cross addition. There in our trick number 1 we had done subtraction. If we do here 101 plus 2 we get 103, and again if we do 102 plus 1 also we get 103 only. Any of the numbers we can do. Then here we have to keep 103, and now our step number 2 is to keep 2 zeros like this and multiply these numbers. Yes, minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is 2, and right here 2 and add them. 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 as it is, 103 down. Yes, 10302 is our correct answer for 101 multiplied by 102. And here we can take our second example in trick number 2 as 106 multiplied by 111. And here if we do minus 6 we get 100 and minus 11 we get 100. And then we have to do cross addition. 106 plus 11 is 117 and 111 plus 6 is also 117. And right here 117 and minus 6 multiplied by minus 11 is 66. Then keep here 66. Yes, it is our answer. Now we are taking our final example in trick number 2. It is 109 multiplied by 115. Here minus 9 and here minus 15. Cross addition, 115 plus 9 is 124. Right here 124 and 9 multiplied by 15 is 15 multiplied by 9. 5 9s are 45 and 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Yes, 135. And here we got 3 digit numbers. So this first number will be going to carry to this next number. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 1 2 5 3 5 is our correct answer for 109 multiplied by 115. And now we had come to our final trick. If you learn this trick, then you will be able to do any of the numbers quickly. You can take our example as 99 multiplied by 101. Here we can observe that these are 2-digit and 3-digit numbers which are nearest to 100. Then if we add plus 1 to 99 we get 100, and if we subtract minus 1 to 101 then we get 100. Then listen carefully friends. Here if it had minus, then we have to do plus when we are going to cross method. 99 plus 1 is 100, and here if we have plus, then while going to cross method we should do minus. If it contains plus we have to do minus. Here we had done plus because it is having minus. Then 101 minus 1 is also 100. Then keep here 100. Now our step number 2 is to keep 2 zeros like this, and now we have to multiply these both numbers. How can we multiply? See friends, it is very important step. Here minus into plus is minus. So plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then we have to subtract minus 1. Then we get 9,999. Yes, it is our answer friends. If we take our another example such as 96 multiplied by 102, then here it is plus 4 and here it is minus 2. Then 96 plus 2 is 98 and 102 minus 4 is also 98. And then we have to check here, keep zeros, 2 zeros, and plus 4 into minus 2. Minus into plus is minus, so 4 into 2 is 8 and minus 8. And subtract them. So our answer is 9,792. Yes friends, it is our correct answer. So we can work out with our last example in this video. And now it is our last example. 88 multiplied by 114. For 88, if we do plus 12 we get 100, and for 114 minus 14 100. And our step number 2 is cross method. 88 plus 14 is 102, and even 114 minus 12 also will get 102. No doubt at all. And then 12 multiplied by 14. Here we can do 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, and 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. 8 as it is, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 1 as it is, 168. Now we have got 3 digit numbers, so 1 will be going to carry it to 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 10368 is our correct answer for 88 multiplied by 114. So friends, thank you for listening.